Hi guys, so today we're going to be fixing some strip threads on the head of the Supra for the cam towers so that it can be put on at the right torque and not leak all over the place. So we got a helicoil kit to fix the threads. It comes with a drill bit, the tap. This is what installs the helicoil, and then this is what you punch. Has a little thing on the end, which you might be able to see there, that you have to punch off at the end.
Yep.
And then the threads will be good so it doesn't leak all over the place.
I'm going to take this with some brake cleaner, clean off this surface a little so that that tape sticks to the surface, and that'll help me keep those shavings from getting down in the head. Alright, you see I'm just creating like a channel to keep the shavings from going left to right. I stuck that tape to the bottom of it, so as I drill it, it's going to go on the tape. I'll pull it out and clean it again. That was an indication that it went all the way through. Damn. It grabbed that tape at the bottom. Alright, so I'm not as worried about shavings as I was because it seems to be really easy to clean, but you do have the springs and all around here, so you got to be careful. Alright, let's hit that with the vacuum. Drop your tool, you better have a damn magnet. Hello. Anyway, as I was doing, I was using this to puncture a hole in here. You do want to make sure you have some type of lubricant on there when you're doing this. When I get it started, make sure you feel like you have a nice bite. You start seeing the shavings, you can start going forward and backing up. All right, as you can see, those nice threads. Alright guys, you can see the threads that are in there now. Again, we got the helicoil here, the tool. Let's slip that on there, get it lined up. and start twisting it down in there slowly. Put a little lube on this, make sure it doesn't snap off. Alright, once I get down past the surface, I'm gonna go in a little bit more. You pick what's comfortable for you. We set ours in there a little bit right there. We don't want it pulling up and interfering with the tower coming down on top of it. So you definitely want to make sure this is flat. But there it is, it's installed. It's not that difficult, just got to be patient. Make sure certain things, especially like this at an angle, watch your angle as you're drilling it out. You don't want to go into the wrong angle because this will be all screwed up. And you know, make sure you don't get a bunch of the trash all in the head from the shavings, and you'll be good to go. I almost forgot. Take your tool and you're gonna have to knock that little piece out at the bottom. We don't want to lose that chunk in one of these valve springs or something, so I put a piece of tape at the bottom of that, and we should be good to go. Place that in, get your hammer, nice little tap. Doesn't take much. Alright, let's see what we got here. Alright, and as you see, the piece actually is on the tape, so that worked out. Alright guys, so there you have it. That's what we did to fix these stripped out threads here in the cylinder head. You could use that method on several different parts of the engine. You can find those helicoil kits on Amazon, eBay, auto parts store. Just find the size you need or get one with multiple sizes in it. And yeah, as you can see, it's not that hard. That's not my first time getting out. Well, you guys didn't see the process of actually taking the broken ones out, but that process, I just drilled a hole straight through the was left of the bolt that was in there, and then I had these easy out little bits that you put down in the hole, and then when you put it in reverse, it snags that thread and yanks the whole rest of the bolt out. You can find that stuff at the auto parts store, Amazon also. There's plenty of videos on YouTube and stuff to show you how to do that. This was my first time doing the helicoil, so I hope I didn't do too bad. But I hope that helps you guys out if you run into this problem with your Toyota especially, but any vehicle. Thank you guys for watching.